In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit Xero email templates step by step. Customizing your email templates in Xero is a simple but powerful way to make your invoices, quotes, and statements look more professional and on brand. Whether you want to update your subject lines, personalize your messaging, or add dynamic placeholders like the customer's name, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another simple software tutorial. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look toward the top left of the screen where you'll see your organization name. This confirms you're inside the correct Xero organization if you manage more than one. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings gear icon. This is where all your main configuration options live. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. From here, click on General Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage branding, invoice settings, and most importantly for this tutorial, your email settings. Once you're inside General Settings, look for the option labeled Email Settings and click on it. This is the area where Xero stores all the default email templates that get sent to customers when you send invoices, quotes, statements, or other documents. Now you'll see a list of available email templates. These typically include templates for invoices, quotes, credit notes, statements, and possibly more depending on your setup. Think about which document you want to customize. For example, if you want to change the message customers receive when you send an invoice, choose the Invoice template. Next to the template you want to update, click the Edit button. This will open the email editor where you can customize both the subject line and the body of the email. Let's start with the subject line. The subject line is extremely important because it's the first thing your customer sees in their inbox. You can rewrite it to better match your tone of voice or make it clearer. For example, instead of a generic subject, you might include your business name or a friendly reminder about payment terms. Now move down to the message body. This is where you can fully customize the content of your email. You can add a greeting, a thank you message, payment instructions, or any other important information you want your customer to see. Keep your message clear, professional, and aligned with your brand voice. One of the most useful features in Xero's email editor is placeholders. You'll notice buttons or options that allow you to insert dynamic fields, such as the customer's name, invoice number, due date, or total amount. These placeholders automatically pull in real data when the email is sent, which makes your emails feel personalized without you having to manually edit each one. For example, you can insert the customer's name at the beginning of the email, so each message starts with a personalized greeting. This small touch can significantly improve communication and professionalism. Take your time reviewing both the subject line and the body content. Make sure there are no typos, that your tone is consistent, and that any placeholders are positioned correctly within the text. Once you're happy with your changes, scroll down and click the Save button. This is a crucial step. If you navigate away without saving, your edits will be lost. After saving, your updated template will automatically be used the next time you send that type of document from Xero. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Xero email template. Now every invoice, quote, or statement you send can reflect your brand, sound more professional, and include personalized details automatically. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.